Introducing the all-new 2026 Chevrolet Damas van in a stunning chocolate finish. Compact, stylish, and packed with advanced features, this van is designed to revolutionize urban mobility. Whether for business, family, or city driving, the Damas van 2026 proves that practicality can be elegant and efficient. Experience the 2026 Chevrolet Damas van in a sleek chocolate color, displayed in a modern showroom, illuminated with bright white lights. This compact van combines versatile design, modern technology, and efficient performance, making it ideal for small businesses, urban commuters, and families alike. From its aerodynamic exterior and bold front grille to the spacious interior and innovative infotainment, the Damas van 2026 is built for comfort and functionality. Explore every angle of this van, front, rear, side, top, and interior views, and see how it balances style with practicality. Equipped with advanced safety systems, fuel-efficient performance, ergonomic seating, and durable build quality, the Chevrolet Damas van ensures every journey is smooth, safe, and enjoyable. Its glossy chocolate finish gleams under showroom lights, emphasizing a modern yet professional look. Perfect for city commuting, cargo transport, or family trips, the 2026 Damas van delivers unmatched versatility, efficiency, and reliability. Watch this video to get an exclusive tour of its features, engine, and interior, and discover why it's quickly becoming a favorite among urban drivers. Features: SEO optimized, approximately 150 words. Modern compact design, sleek chocolate exterior, aerodynamic lines, bold front grille, and stylish LED headlights. Spacious interior, comfortable seating for up to 5 passengers, ergonomic layout, and flexible cargo space. Advanced safety systems, equipped with airbags, ABS, electronic stability control, and parking sensors for maximum safety. Efficient engine performance, fuel-efficient engine optimized for city driving, offering low emissions and smooth acceleration. Innovative infotainment, touchscreen display, Bluetooth connectivity, and integrated navigation system for convenience and entertainment. Durable build quality, robust chassis, reliable suspension, and high-quality materials ensure longevity and comfort. Practical versatility, ideal for cargo transport, family trips, or urban commuting with adaptable seating and storage options. Function/benefits SEO optimized, approximately 150 words. The 2026 Chevrolet Damas van is engineered for urban efficiency and versatility. Its compact size allows effortless maneuvering in crowded city streets, while the powerful and fuel-efficient engine ensures smooth performance. The flexible interior easily adapts for passenger transport or cargo hauling, making it ideal for businesses or family use. Advanced safety features, including ABS, airbags, and stability control, provide peace of mind on every journey. The ergonomic seating and thoughtful cabin design maximize comfort for both short commutes and long trips. Innovative infotainment keeps passengers connected and entertained, while premium materials and finishes ensure a stylish and durable interior. With its sleek chocolate exterior, glossy showroom-ready finish, and modern design, the Chevrolet Damas van 2026 combines practicality, style, and reliability. Perfect for urban commuters, small businesses, and families, this van proves that compact doesn't mean compromising on quality or performance. This is PowerLux. Power, performance, prestige. Follow for more unstoppable machines.